Join me as I challenge myself to start investing in the stock market with just $100 and see how far I can take it. You know, I've always believed that investing in the stock market is for everyone, regardless of their financial background. It's not just for the wealthy or the financially savvy. It's for anyone who's willing to take the first step. And that first step doesn't have to be a big one. In fact, you can start investing with as little as $100. I think one of the biggest misconceptions about investing is that you need a lot of money to get started. And I think that's what holds a lot of people back. They think, I don't have $10,000 to invest, so I'll just wait until I do. But the truth is, you don't need that kind of money to start investing. And the longer you wait, the more opportunities you're missing out on. I've talked to so many people who are interested in investing, but they're just not sure where to start. They're intimidated by the thought of investing in the stock market because they don't understand it, and that's totally understandable. I mean, investing can be complex, but it doesn't have to be. With the right resources and a little bit of knowledge, anyone can start investing. The fear of losing money is another big obstacle for people who want to start investing, and I get it. It's a valid concern. But the thing is, you're not going to get rich quick by leaving your money in a savings account. In fact, with inflation, your money is actually losing value over time. So taking a small risk and investing in the stock market can be a much smarter move in the long run. When it comes to investing, there are so many options available to you. You can invest in individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, index funds, or even robo-advisors. And with many of these options, you can start investing with as little as $100. For example, some brokerages offer fractional shares, which allow you to buy a fraction of a share instead of a whole share. So if you want to invest in a company like Amazon, but don't have enough money to buy a whole share, you can buy a fraction of a share. ETFs are another great option for beginners. They're basically a basket of stocks that track a particular index, like the SP 500. And the great thing about ETFs is that they're diversified, so your risk is spread out across multiple stocks. Plus, they're often less expensive than mutual funds. Robo-advisors are also an excellent choice for beginners. They're online platforms that use algorithms to invest your money in a diversified portfolio. And the best part is, they're often very low cost and easy to use. I want to share a story with you about someone who started investing with just a small amount of money. Her name is Emily, and she was in her early 20s. When she started investing, she had just graduated from college and was working her first job. She didn't have a lot of money, but she was determined to start investing. So she started with just $100 a month. At first, it didn't seem like a lot, but she was consistent, and over time, her investment grew. In fact, after just a few years, her investment had grown to over $10,000. And the best part is, she didn't have to make a lot of sacrifices to get there. She just made investing a priority every month. Emily's story is a great illustration of the power of starting early and being consistent. She didn't try to time the market or make risky bets. She just kept investing a little bit every month, and over time, her investment grew. And the thing is, anyone can do the same thing. You don't have to be a financial expert or have a lot of money. You just have to be willing to take the first step. So, let me summarize what we've talked about today. Investing in the stock market doesn't have to be complicated, and it doesn't have to require a lot of money. With just $100, you can start investing in a diversified portfolio using ETFs, robo-advisors, or even individual stocks. And the key is to be consistent and patient. Don't try to time the market or make risky bets. Just keep investing a little bit every month, and over time, your investment will grow. What do you think about starting to invest with just $100? Do you have any questions or concerns? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on personal finance and investing. Thanks for watching.